And now for some breaking news in connection with the Hyderabad tree felling row. There's some more key takeaways from the Supreme Court's rebuke for the Telangana government, where the top court has said that we don't want to hear anything. Essentially, the Supreme Court has threatened to jail Telangana officials, saying that if you oppose restoration, there will be temporary prison for your officers. The Wildlife Warden of Telangana has been directed to examine and put into effect immediate steps required to protect wildlife affected on account of deforestation that took place across 100 acres. Now, crucially, the top court has also said we do not want to hear anything except for a plan, a roadmap for the restoration of 100 acres of forest. There will be a further hearing on this matter after 4 weeks. Crossing over to my colleague Harish to bring us more on this. Harish, the Telangana government has received a supreme rap. Tell us more about the key takeaways of what's taken place in the top court.
Yes, that's right. The Supreme Court in the Kachi tree felling said if you oppose restoration, temporary prison for your officers and wildlife warden of Telangana has been directed to examine and put into effect immediate steps required to protect wildlife affected on the account of deforestation of 100 acres. And so very clearly I've been told that we do not want to hear anything except a plan, a roadmap for restoration of 100 acres of forest and further hearing after 4 weeks. So the Supreme Court was hearing this Somoto matter related to the felling of trees in Telangana, Gachibowli. On last hearing, remember, Supreme Court had asked state authorities to maintain status quo and restrict any more felling of trees, which is Gawai told Singhvi, Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who had appeared for the Revanth Reddy government, that we cannot permit cutting of trees without permission of the court. We also do not have permission of authorities. We are here to protect the environment. Rather than justifying the act, it's better you tell what you will do to restore the green. It must be clearly stated whether permission was obtained of this court, and it must also be clarified whether the permissions were taken as per the guidelines issued by Supreme Court in 1996. This is what the Supreme Court has said. But Supreme Court kept reiterating that we are only concerned with the damage done to the environment, not bothered about anything else. Supreme Court told Singhvi, we do not want to hear anything except a plan, a roadmap for restoration of 100 acres of forest, and also restore the flora and fauna. The Supreme Court is using very tough words, saying that if you oppose restoration, temporary prison for your officers.
All right, Harish, thank you so much for joining us and bringing us more key takeaways from what's taken place in the top court. Remember, the next hearing is going to take place after 4 weeks.